Not really sure what's going on with the stabilization in the camera this week, so sorry. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we got a really cool video. It's gonna be back to the basics of the channel. We got a feature artist, we got a feature musician, and this week we're gonna cut out so much of the talking heads and so much of the voiceovers so you guys can get a chance to just enjoy these artists that I am bringing to you. Both of these artists are amazing artists. The painting artist's name is Afi Ese, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link to her webpage so you guys can go and buy her art. It'll also be down in the description. And then the musical guest this week we got is the homie Terrence. This dude's music is so sweet, and that's most of the reason why I don't even want to like go in too much with the talking heads and the voiceovers. Peace and all the love. Thank you so much for coming out. This painting's been done for almost months now, but I didn't want to post it just because it's not quite there yet, but I figured screw it. Let's go ahead and show you what I got so far on this painting. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
When we were young, we would do things. Times we would say things people in love shouldn't say or do. But we were young, so we break up, find ways to make up. Times it'd be me and sometimes you. We had to learn not to say things, learn not to do things you didn't want to be done to you. And after all that we've been through, places we've been to, still standing here right next to you. Tell me everything you wouldn't say, show me everything you wouldn't do. Yeah, but you poured out, we'll come back to you. Do the things that we never tried, all the things that we tried to hide. Yeah, but you poured out, we'll come back to you. Tell me everything you wouldn't say, show me everything you wouldn't do. Yeah, but you poured out, we'll come back to you. Do the things that we never tried, all the things that we tried to hide. Yeah, but you poured out, we'll come back. Now I ain't sure about much, but I know how to play nice and I know how to play fair, how to see the good in you. Yes, I still have my moments, but the face in me knowing that everyone has been better in their life. And even though we both lost our innocence a while ago, can't wait till our deathbed to let what has been said. Now go, I wonder if I just apologize. Maybe
Alright guys, so now we're about halfway through the painting, and I kind of want to just talk a little bit about my inspiration for this painting. I recently fell in love with a show called Lovecraft Country. I don't know if any of you have seen it. If you haven't, go check it out. Me and my baby love that show. And there was a character named Hippolyta, and she was out in space, and it's all like sci-fi, and that, you know, loosely inspired the astronaut that I'm painting. And of course, we have to throw some octopuses in there too. And I just love that there's so many layers to this painting. There's oil paints, there's acrylics, I incorporate LED lights for the stars in the background, and gold leaf, and I checked all the boxes artist for all of the things that I love with this painting. It's my biggest piece yet, and you know, I think so far so good. You guys will see the end product once we get to the end of the video, but kind of wanted to just jump in here real quick and just let you know a little bit of the inspiration behind the painting. Let's get back to this cool music and this dope art.
My money low, not much in my pocket. But if there ever is a woman by me, no, I can shield to show off like some people. See, now I ain't hating, I'm just saying that I've been so broke so long that I'm incapable of changing who I am now. But money comes and money goes, we spend it on the daily. We're working 45 just to live like basic, hoping things change so I can stop hating my job. I get up, I go to work. I get up, I'm an early bird. I get up, I join the rest of the first shifters, tryna make a living, but don't feel like I'm living. Plus it's hot up in this kitchen. Wish every day would be more like Christmas. No need for gifts, my money low, not much in my pocket. But if there ever is a woman by me, no, I can share to show off like some people. See, now I ain't hating, I'm just saying that I've been so broke so long that I'm incapable of changing who I am now. But money comes and money goes, we spend it on the daily. We working 45 just to live like basic, hoping things change so I can stop hating my job. See, I hate my job, not the people I work with. I hate long days cause they leave me with nothing but a bedtime, some stress lines, and I promise that I'll be fine. And I'm waiting patiently in line for something, or maybe nothing. Not much in my pocket, but if there ever is a woman by me, no, I can share to show off like some people. See, I ain't hating, I'm just saying that I've been so broke so long that I'm incapable of changing who I am now. Money comes and money goes, we spend it on the daily. We working 45 just to live life basic, hoping things change so I can stop hating my job.
Alright guys, and with that, that's going to be another video done. It felt kind of good to go back this weekend, you know, go back to the, like, some of the core values of the channel. In the beginning, I wanted it to be about music as well as art, and showing you guys some of the most beautiful things that I hear and that I see. And, you know, this whole video, this painting, all the features, it felt really good this week, guys. I can't explain that enough, or I can't express that enough. Peace and all the love in the world. Thank you so much for coming out for another video, and I'll catch you next week for some more sweet stuff.
Sometimes I'm writing music, others I pray for the world, and I second guess myself. What in the world am I doing? Does it truly help, or am I losing precious time? See, at an early age, they tried to tell me that I couldn't be with God and do music. How you gonna tell me? Guess you need proof then. What about Aretha and John the Legend? Telling me they won't make it in heaven. Telling me God won't let them in. You really not gonna give an answer. That's what I thought, you so fraudulent. You don't know a damn thing. Who do you think you are? Yeah, I can't do this anymore. I only go back to show respect. Ain't been back since the last one left there. I'm gone, oh no, so gone. Do.
Okay, cool.
Oh, Jesus.
I know.